Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to disable Steam auto updates. Follow these easy steps to disable automatic updates for your Steam. First of all, launch your Steam app on your computer and make sure to sign into your Steam account. Once done, click on Steam menu at the top left and click on Settings. Once these settings pop-up window opened, here select Downloads, and here you will get this option, Schedule Auto Updates. So to disable auto updates, you have to enable this Schedule Auto Updates option, and now restrict updates between. Here select the time you don't want your Steam automatically update. So here I opened my computer at 9 a.m. and I turn off my computer at 8 p.m. So here's I've selected this time, and between these times Steam won't be able to update, and that's it. And this is how we can disable our Steam auto updates. But if you want to disable only a specific game auto update, here's how to do it. Go to your library section, and here you will get all of your games. And now right click on that game you want to stop auto updates for, and click on Properties, and here select Updates. Under automatic updates, click on this drop down, and here to disable automatic updates for this game or app, here you have to select only update this game when I launch it. And that's it. This is how we can stop auto updates for Steam. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.